Karnataka's minority residential schools are seeing an unprecedented surge with 56,000 students applying for just 11,300 seats in 6th standard, up from 40,000 previous year, boasting a 98% pass rate in PUC and 93% in SSLC, with 99% securing first class. These schools offer free education including tuition, food, accommodation, uniforms and study materials. Specialized coaching for NEET, JEE, CA and CLAT from rural and economically weaker backgrounds. Director Jilani Mukashi credits this structured environment, skilled teachers, doubt-clearing sessions and mock tests. With 166 schools on 7 to 10 acre campuses and 25 more planned, 29 follow the CBSE syllabus. Catering to Muslim, Christians, Jains, Sikhs, Buddhists and Parsis, 25% of seats are reserved for SC, ST and OBC students. Regular teacher training ensures high standards as demand soars. Plans are underway to seek state funds to expand capacity, making these schools a beacon of excellence for underprivileged students.
Our schemes are mainly focusing on education. Our budget is almost 70 to 75% of the budget is going for only education. We are making expenditure with respect to only education actually. We are having holistic approach of education. The students are coming from very remote villages and very farmers background, poor background. So we are providing them stay. Everything is free of cost here actually, along with the education. Here the education is from 6th to 12th standard. Various new initiatives we have taken, especially for SSLC and PUC. So because of that, we are getting good results. Last year also, we got good results in around 93% results in SSLC and 98% result in PUC. And in 98% of PUC, 99% are more than first class. That was our result actually. So with the background of this, we started in our schools NEET, JEE, CA training, CLAT training. We have around 29 schools we are having CBSE syllabus actually. So we are giving frequent trainings to our teachers. Frequency of trainings is more actually. Capacity building of teachers we are doing continuously. So and our teachers are also working hard enough to give the good quality education to our students. We are telling our teachers to deal the students as a parents, not as a this one actually, because students are also staying there only, our teachers are also staying there only. It is a huge campus. It is a 10-acre campus. Our residential school will be a 7 to 10 acres campus. We have quarters for the teachers, we have quarters for the staff. Students are also staying there only. So like that, it is a one family. They are working as a family, so automatically they will build the relationship with the students. And even after the class hours, they are taking additional classes, study hours. Like that we have till 9:30, 10 o'clock. We have study hours. After 5:30, so after 6 o'clock they have study hours. Daily one teacher is supervising for study hours. So every week we are having doubt clearing sessions. And every 15 days we are conducting detailed exams of completed syllabus. Detailed exam. It is like a exam. It is like a final exam. Even if it is a minority residential schools, but 75% of the students are only minorities. Other 25% is other backward communities.